Let's create a digital vision board. Hello there, it's Daniela, aka D. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create your own digital vision board to help you to finish 2020 strong, regardless of everything that's happening in the world at the moment, and give you some hope for the future. So what is a vision board? A vision board is a visual representation of your goals or aims. Your vision board should focus on how you want to feel more than anything else. Visualization is a powerful tool in achieving your goals. Vision boards can be made on paper and using magazine clippings to create your board, or you can make it digitally like we will be doing in this video. What to put on your vision board? You can use any photos or quotes that inspires, motivates, and reminds you of your goals. Think of the following areas of your life: career, finances, health and fitness, relationship, spirituality, family and friends, giving and contribution, personal growth, fun and recreation, and education. Where to find images? Honestly, Google is definitely your best friend for this one. You could also use your own pictures, and there's also websites like Pinterest and Tumblr. And let's not forget, on Canva you can find a ton of pictures as well. How to create the vision board. Start by creating and writing down your goals. Think of the different areas of your life and what you want to achieve. You can write your goals on paper or you can write them digitally, whatever works for you. Next, browse the interwebs to find images that are related to your goals and save what you want to use. Now it's time to go to Canva. On Canva there are so many options, different templates that you can use. You can also use your own custom dimensions, which I did here. These are the dimensions for my laptop screen, and I just named my project to get started. Now that you've created the canvas for your vision board, you want to upload all the images that you want to use. I just went to the folder that I saved everything in and selected them and dragged them into Canva. Once everything is uploaded into Canva, you want to then arrange the images in the order that you like, whatever way makes more sense to you or is aesthetically pleasing. You can crop or resize the images to your liking. When you're happy with the placement of everything, it's time to download. In the right hand corner of the page, there's a download button. You press on that and then you can select the format that you want to download in, and it will download to your computer. With the vision board now downloaded to my laptop, I'm going to set it as my wallpaper so that it will serve as motivation for the next 3 months. And that's it. You can create your vision board to be monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever floats your boat. If you make your own vision board, please share it with me. I'd love to see what you come up with. You can click here to watch more of my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Remember, you're loved and you're blessed. Bye!